Hello everyone, and welcome back to Property Cozy. Today, we have a very special treat. Here on Property Cozy, we featured beachfront estates, Caribbean-style homes, and many other luxurious properties, but none quite like this. Welcome to Castillo Caribe. Castillo Caribe is without a doubt one of the finest beachfront estates in the world, offering a prime location within the area of the South Sound Grand Cayman Islands, constructed with only the finest materials the earth has to offer, and coming with the benefits of limited tax liabilities. The Grand Castillo Caribe is without a doubt one of the finest mansions in the world, offering over 1.38 acres of white sandy beaches and palm-filled land to enjoy while gazing upon the Caribbean Ocean in your own backyard. This may pale in comparison to the extraordinary 48,000 square feet of living space throughout the home. Castillo Caribe not only offers the pleasures of luxury living, but also caters towards family living and staff quarters as well, coming with children's suites, and a dedicated staff suite to ensure that your desires are always only a few minutes away, as well as a fully stocked kitchen with world-class cooking utensils to make any dish into a masterpiece. Also coming with a beautiful Moroccan-themed bar for spectacular entertainment, a wine cellar capable of housing over 400 varieties of wine, a dining hall capable of seating up to 14 guests while offering beautiful views of the Caribbean Ocean, and a great hall that takes elegant dining to new heights with 2 sweeping staircases that have chandeliers that rival British palaces. But the adventure doesn't stop here. Castillo Caribe also comes with its own spa, sauna, and steam rooms located in the underground magical grotto of the mansion, along with magical alluring underwater LED lights for the ultimate magical experience. Castillo Caribe also comes with its own private tennis and pickleball court located right next to the beach. The beach area comes with a cabana for beachside relaxation, mature garden areas to be even closer to nature, along with plentiful fruit trees and beautiful sculptures around the mansion. Not only does Castillo Caribe offer unparalleled luxuries and enjoyment, the mansion also comes with state-of-the-art security systems, providing absolute comfort and privacy. Some of these systems include the Crestron multimedia system, which controls all of Castillo Caribe's lighting, scenes, audio, and videos throughout the home. Castillo Caribe also possesses solar panels to ensure continuous flowing energy while also keeping electrical costs under control, by making the entire electrical cost of the mansion come to the cost of a property half of its size. And not only is Castillo Caribe prepared to use the power of the sun, but also possesses a standby generator that comes online within 10 seconds of a power outage, and is more than capable to power the entire mansion, along with a 9-foot seawall for extra protection, giving you safety and peace of mind even during hurricanes and anything else that may come along the way. Now, let's enter the masterpiece of Castillo Caribe. Now, we will go over the selling price for Castillo Caribe. The price for Castillo Caribe in USD is $49,950,000 USD. In Jamaican dollars, $8,015,901,075. In Cayman Island dollars, $41,631,287. In Bahamian dollars, $49,956,044. Canadian, $69,879,051. Euros, $43,020,436. And in Great British Pounds, $37,467,994. Thank you all so much for watching, and we're very happy to do what we do and show you all of these beautiful properties all over the Caribbean. I hope that you enjoyed exploring Castillo Caribe, and I hope that you've been enjoying the many other beautiful places featured here on Property Cozy. We hope to see you here again next time on PropertyCozy.com.